Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, took this minute a long time to come back to do this. Like my fingernails color, guys, it's kind of messy. I just painted myself. Hey, cheap, like $2 rather than 20. So anyway, so I'm gonna do a little bit embellish these $2. I don't want to overdo too much. I thought at first I wanted to leave like that, but I decided to add something a little bit along the side, both sides here. Okay. But first, I have my new sentiment here. I will do haul video on new product coming. Okay, guys. But I have this big old sentiment here. It's a dream and enjoy. So I'm not going to paint anything. I'm gonna use the raw one here, but not sure. I'm thinking I'm gonna use twine or something on this. Let's see what twine I got. I got the blue, red. I think I might need. Sorry guys, haven't prepared anything, but let's see. I have this color. I'm not sure I want to use any of these guys, but okay, I have flower right here. I don't want to paint anything, guys. So I have my gardenia color, so I have peachy color, so this will go very well on this, so I'm gonna use this color. I have the pink too, but I think I'm gonna use the peachy color. So I think I might so you use that one right there. I'm not sure should I use more than one, but I think I'm gonna use not all too much, guys. So I think I'm gonna use some pink. Maybe we'll do some pink. I'm not sure where this is going, but I think I might add that one right there. Let me see the brown one. As you know, I do not carry flowers anymore, guys, so that's it what I got. I think you did. This is flower. I think Amy sent it to me, guys. Sometimes I'm tired of painting the flower, guys, because when I do all the classes, it's not gonna be that fast to class. So if I painted everything, you know, but this look pretty good so far. I think I need more color on that way. Not sure should I use these. I can use more of this angel. I love this flower, guys. So I'm gonna use this flower. I'm not sure Pima or like collection. Sometimes I'm confused because they're all exactly the same. I think I'm gonna use this green tiny flower. right there, so it has some contrast color. Not sure what your color I'm going to use on this. I think next color I would do like a mint green, because I'm gonna try all variety of color. I know sometimes I told you guys I'm not that daring, but I'm gonna try. Let's see how it works. I think this one might be it, guys, but either the sentiment or this angel that I'm going to use. I think I might do this. Well, you know what? But I think gonna be a problem if I have to wrap this around the box. I don't want it to fall off, you know what I mean? Let's see. Maybe glue this one right here and make this one wrap around the box. This look. So I did have to go through another 1 centimeter right there. Let's see. So I think this one I'm gonna done like that, and but another side I'm gonna do the opposite direction of this. What do you think? See, so that one is the peachy color, right? So I'm gonna do this one is this color, not the peachy color, the champagne, that's what I call. I guess I can use another peach one if I wanted to. Well, let's see if I have another flower. Oh, I have this Prima flower. Okay, if I have that one, if I use no, I don't really like this flower, not my favorite, but I love another flower. So this is Prima flower, this one, then this one is pretty cool, huh? Oop. So I don't have the no, thinking this pink right there and the blue. This one, I think I have to be more colorful around this one, because this one is not really colored that much. So I want to contrast the color. Let's usually get these. Oh, why not? Nope, that one too plain. Look at these. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, I may use this one. Yep. So let's see, I'm gonna use the green one here. Oh, I have this one. And here my husband doing something in the kitchen. Not sure should I use that one or this one. Here we go. And what else? I'm gonna use this one right there. I think gonna be it. Well, let's see, what about this one? Where should I put this? I want to do like a glitter on this. I'm gonna do a glitter or the... Yeah, I'm gonna do glitter. Oh, I give the dresser, and I didn't give her the yellow one, the 5 drawer. Well, I didn't tell her that I'm going to give her, but I told her I'm gonna make her one. So instead of give her the 5 drawers, I give her the mini album. She loved it. She said her grandson is... She have new grandson, what she told me, so... That's good. She get use of the album a lot than me. So does it look good? So now here the twine coming up. So let's see. Like if you use this one. See, I'm gonna wrap like this, but before that I'm gonna wrap. Let's see, guys. Not sure that's going to work. think I have to make you to insert like this one, and underneath this I didn't really use this twine a lot, so let's see, I'm not sure which side I should go. So like this one, if I wrap this one right here, you can see that. I will adjust the line later. But let me see, because this is gonna be another sentiment that I'm going to use. See, so I think I'm going to have to adjust it. This one. No, this one is not. So So this one gonna be folded this way a little bit. I'll try to adjust where the plate it will go. Oh, I guess if you have like twine, the crab color may be good, but I don't have that color. I think this one looks pretty good. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to a chipboard to support this one, to pop this one up. So I'm gonna make the chipboard right here is not both sides. That side, and I think should be that it not too, I'm not sure, should I use another layer higher? Yeah, so I need 2 layers to pop this one up higher. This is good. So I think this one should be here, I think here. This is good. Same thing, I'm gonna pop this one. I'm almost there, sorry. So this will be my last video for this project. Let's see. So this one will be, so I can still move it twice. And now we're going to start this twine here. Let's see. Yep. Start right there. Let's see. Start right there. Yep. And across like that. So I think on the way here I'm going to glue the twine. And I do this one right here. And I'm going to across this one. I'm not sure, should I glue this one? I think I might, so I don't want it to come loose. That. And for this, I think I'm gonna glue this one. And so I'm gonna have to pull this one. And just that. So that's it. What I get. Now for this, I'm gonna across like this. Let's see. Nope. One cross. I know, spider web everywhere. Going to cross this way. I think I'm gonna have to figure out how to hide this one, right? Or should I tie this one? I think what I might do, I have to maybe hide this one. You think? I should thought of that before I glue everything, but so I'm going to cut that one up, and I think I'm gonna crop this one and insert underneath there, if I still can do that. So I need some helper. You know, I need to glue this one down because I didn't glue this one on that. So yep, otherwise this one will pull up. Yep, that's better. God, I didn't glue that one down, otherwise it will pull off from this plate, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna insert this one underneath, see? Oop, here we go. It came loose now, so now I can glue this one. I'm gonna glue this one to there, so it's not go anywhere. Now I can pull this one. First, I'm gonna glue this corner first. I did not glue this corner. I'm gonna try to pull this one tight. So I'm gonna have to glue this other side down. So flip this one over, and then you hot glue, hot glue, hot glue. Here we go, what do you think? This is twine, what it look like this way. So now glitter time. So I'm gonna use my clear glue here. Let me use this one. It's all the same. So I want to get the sparkle glitter ladies like sparkle, right? I want to use the paintbrush later to brush all the glue around the flower. Now I think I'm going to use the flat paintbrush. Okay. Sorry guys, that my camera was cut off. Turn around. Let's see if Cody talking to his daddy. Oh, next Friday I'm gonna go to see the property. If I like it, we're gonna get the property and try to set up everything, and it will take a little while though after we buy it because the property not ready to move in. But we're planning to put some tree on and some my garden there. Now with glitter from Michaels. Use some paper, guys. Use some paper. I need to scrap left off. Now we're going to sparkle these. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Tap, tap, tap. Look how sparkle that is. I'm not sure you guys can tell, but I just love it, guys. Time to saw this one or sparkle this side. Isn't that pretty, guys? And put this one back. This glitter I got from Michaels. Okay, I think that's the guy going to be really awesome. Oh, I didn't dump all the glitter out. So this side it said enjoy, this side it said dream. Okay, that's the guy, my 2 box number 2 the done for the my convention. So thank you everyone for keep watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye guys.